Hi, let us understand how to leverage AWS Cloud to do the Docker Swarm setup. As such, we can do the setup using virtual machines where it will not incur any cost, or I can use other cloud providers like Google Compute Cloud, Microsoft Azure or IBM Bluemix, where it's all going to be one and same whether it is AWS or Azure or IBM Bluemix. Only the terminologies will be different. In case if you don't want to incur any cost, you can go ahead and do the setup using the virtual machines. I will be having a demo using the virtual machines at the later point of this particular section, and I'm going to do all the demo using AWS Cloud. Even though it's going to incur little cost, you will have production like experience. To start with, I will be having a machine started with AWS EC2. This will be of AWS Linux, which is based out of Red Hat. And I will be installing all the required packages. I will do the upgrade of the software and the Docker. So the software, Docker and all the required details will be done within this particular machine. And once the machine is ready and Docker is up and running, I will create an image out of it. Image is nothing but a template with all the setup. It's going to create a small template. We call that as Amazon Machine Image, in short AMI. Once this AMI is ready, using the AMI, I can spin up n number of instances. So I will start n number of AWS EC2 instance. For setup purpose, I will be creating 3 instances. Once the image is ready, I can go ahead and delete this particular instance, or I can hold the same instance for my demo purpose as well. So what we are going to have the similar instance with all the software required, and I will be having the same security group in all the machines, so that I can open the ports in common across all the machines, and I can control the machines using a single key as well as a single security setup. Once if I get these 3 machines, I'm going to make one machine as a master and all other 3 machines as a worker. Now in case if I am going to take any machines for maintenance, we call that as a draining, I can create more machines and bring it into this particular network and take out any machine which is not required. So this is where the dynamism is going to come into picture. So to start with the demo, first I need to start an EC2 instance, install all the required softwares, make the Docker installation and make the Docker running, so that whenever I am starting the machine, by default the Docker daemon will be running within the machine. Using the complete setup of the EC2 which is ready to work for Swarm, I will create an image. So all this we are going to see as a demo in the next lecture.